United Print and Multimedia Summit, The Legacy of Print and Its Evolution. They say that once something is in print, it becomes permanent. For centuries, the printing press did not just move ink into paper, it moved into the minds of the masses. Today, we gather for the legacy of print, not just to look back, but to celebrate the foundation of global literacy. The legacy of print is a story of human connection that refuses to be deleted. Digital is fast, but print is final. For over 100 years, the printed word has been the primary architect of civilization. It has sparked revolutions, documented peace, and preserved the soul of our languages. At this event, we explore how ink of yesterday continues to color our world of today. In an era of skip ads and a 3-second attention spans, we are gathered here to talk about something increasingly rare, which is permanence. For the advertisers and ad agency leaders, in this event, we know that a pixel is fleeting, but ink is an investment. The legacy of print is not just about history of the press. It's about psychology of the page. It's about the fact that once a consumer holds a high-quality print ad, they are not just scrolling past content, they are holding a brand's reputation. Let's explore how the legacy of the past is driving the most sophisticated campaign of the future. Remember this? From encyclopedia to Google, from landline to mobile phone, from typewriter to iPad, from print now to social media. I would like to leave you with just one thought. Legacy is not just looking backwards, it's what we build to last. But let us all bear in mind that print has served millions and billions of citizens. We embrace the new innovations of communications. The digital world gave us speed, but print gave us stature. It's a foundation. As we return to our offices and to your creative briefs, I challenge you to think about what marks you are leaving behind. Let us not just create content that is scrolled past. Let's create something that are kept, collected, and remembered. For some, they strongly believe that print, whether in advertising or in the editorial content, will go on side by side with whatever new communication technologies will be in the next coming years. Let's aim for the tone of the past, but excited about the future. Let's all listen to our experts as they present their views on the legacy of print and its evolution. Thank you for being part of this journey at magandang umaga pong muli sa inyong lahat.